Okay, so let's solve x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. So to solve this quadratic equation, I will use the product sum uh, method. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to find the product. So the product will be the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, times c, which is 4. Okay, which is 4, and then this will give me 4. That's the product, because product, whenever finding the product, we say product is equal to a times c. This a is a coefficient of x squared here. The coefficient here, so the coefficient here is 1. That's why I found this what the product. Then the sum. The sum is always b. The sum is always what? B. In this case, our b is being represented by what? Negative 5. So b is a coefficient of x. So our sum in this case is equal to what? Negative 5. Now I need to find now the factors. Okay, I need to find the factors now. So the factors, so sum is always what? B, like that. So we've got our sum is equal to negative 5 in this case. Then our factors, then I have to find the two numbers that I can multiply to give me 4, and then if I add them, I get also um, negative 5, of which I'm going to have negative 4 and negative 1. I know that negative 4 times negative 1, the answer is what? 4. Because negative times negative is positive. Then 4 times 1 is 4. And then to add now this, I have to add now to get the sum, because sum is addition. Product is when you multiply. Okay? So I'll say the sum now that I'm going to get, this will be just equal to negative 4 plus negative what? 1. Here we can simplify. You can say negative 4, positive times negative is minus 1, then is equal to what? This is just equal to negative 5. Okay, so having that information, so we get now the factors. These factors, since these factors equal to the sum, since these factors, when you add them, we are giving you the sum. So we are going to substitute these factors in this what? In this negative 5x term. So it will be what? X squared minus 4x minus x, then plus what? 4, which is equal to what? 0. Which is equal to what? 0. Okay. So from here now, uh, sorry, excuse me. So from here now, just a matter of now factorizing by grouping. Factorize by what? By grouping. So we go. So I'll factorize this side, and then I also factorize this part. So if I get this part, I factorize, because I know that one thing that you should not forget is that um, let me remove this bracket first so that I explain one concept here. One thing that you should not forget is that when you have got negative 4x minus x, this is negative 5x, this is negative 5x. So whatever you substitute, there must be no change. No change. Don't substitute something that can change from the original equation. So because whatever is here, negative 4x minus x, this is equal to negative 5x. So there is no in here. So we can just now factorize. Now factorize. So what is common here? What is common here? I can see that I've got x. Okay. So x into x, if I factor out or I take out x, I'll remain with x minus 4. Okay. Here I'm going to take, because if I take x here, then I won't have any meaning here. Because what I need to find to remain within brackets have to be the same. It have to be common here. So I'll take, let me take negative 1. I'll take negative 1 out. So if I take negative 1 into negative x, it will be just x. Then negative 1 into positive 4, just negative 4. This must be equal to what? 0. Okay. Then from there, I can now take this x minus 1, and then I get one of the common x minus 4. Then this is equal to what? 0. Then I can now equate them individually. So I'll say x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So at the end now, I'm going to have x is equal to what? 1, because this will jump to the other side, so it will be 0 plus 1, which is just 1. And then here, I'm going to have x is equal to 4. This is how we solve when we are using the product sum factors. Product sum factors, or by grouping, here like we have done. So please feel free. We do online lessons. You can reach out to us, but you can able to help one another. Thank you, guys.